Toney to the 35-40, trying to find the edge, and he limps past the 50 and wobbles inside the 40 for a 47-yard run through traffic. Multiple injured Seminoles back near the line of scrimmage.
This kid is absolutely electric. Every time he touches the football.
Little end around. Kadarius Toney. What a move. And another. Look at Kadarius Toney go. Finally tripped up at midfield.
Handoff, that is Toney. Kadarius Toney stays in bounds and brings it across the 50 and hangs on to the football a little loose. Okay, Kadarius Toney getting more involved in the Florida offense.
This has been his niche almost his whole career at Florida as a fly sweep guy, a guy that can make plays with the ball under his arm.
Emory Jones is in the game.
Jones to throw. Beautiful ball downfield, caught. And a chance for Toney to run after the catch. Takes it inside the 10, all the way to the 5. Perkins finally brings him down.
This time Toney will just keep it himself. He got a key block, and he stayed on his feet inside the 10. How'd he do that? He was like a gymnast sticking the landing, and he took a divot out of the yard. A gain of 19.
Wow. There was no run game either. There's something there that needs to get fixed.
Here is Kadarius Toney. He's got another first. Second down at 4. Emory Jones comes in. A little zone read. Kadarius Toney.
Toney gets a block, and he's a blazer. A dynamic guy. They'll use him all different roles. He's still going. Kadarius Toney. They won't catch him. Touchdown, Gators.
But watch the linebacker play on the play action fake. Get out of position right there. Now it opens it up. Now you can get downfield. The other thing that's disturbing, week 1 missed tackle, 2 missed tackles, 3 missed tackles against a back like Toney. He's going to make you pay for that. So overly aggressive. Then the safety's down.